Today on Flawedoffroad, this is going to be a quick video on how to install these PVC inserts into your tires, more specifically Humvee tires. So I would recommend putting down some boards like this to get your tire up off the ground. Take a bunch of soapy water. Now, if you got directional tires, make sure that you point this part toward whatever side you want facing out for your valve stem, and that your tires are going in the directional that you want. These ones aren't, so I don't care. This thing is pretty difficult to get in there. And from here, you pretty much just gotta force it in. Ooh, I don't wanna go. Probably should be careful doing this so that you don't break your ankle or fall and crack your head open. Or hit your shin with this. Okay, so this one's being a bitch. One I did last night popped right in. Okay, I wanted to quickly point out it's highly dependent on which tires you use, how hard this process ends up being. These are surplus Humvee unused tires. They're super stiff, they're not broken in, so your mileage may vary. Just try not to kill yourself or break your leg. There we go. And now you gotta turn it sideways, which can be equally fun. I found it easier just to pick it up, push on one side, pull on the other kind of deal to get it started. And from there, it's just a matter of positioning it. It's like this bottom side's still not in the tire just yet. I've seen this go really easy on some tires. These are surplus unused tires, so they're a lot more of a pain in the butt. It's also a good time to mention if you're using balancing beads, now's a good time to put them in. And then lastly, you gotta just scooch this back into place. Now, they pretty much fought me on all of them. This is the last one, but you wanna just get this so it's centered under the bead all the way around, and pretty much on all of them, after I dump the beads, I end up having to pry it in there a little bit. There, that's it. Now you just pick that up without tipping it and losing your beads, plop it on the wheel, and you're on your way. Real quick, if you want to see when that's ready to be put together, this one's all ready to get the outer wheel half with my rock ring put on. I just got to get the O-ring stretched out and all that. Two of them are already done and mounted on. Anyway, if you want to see start to finish from me pulling these tires off the 24 bolt wheels to recentering these 12 bolt wheels, adding the rock rings, the inserts, assembling the wheels, and then even throwing them on the Jeep, check out my channel. A couple of those videos are live, another one's coming up soon. Anyway, thanks for watching Flawedoffroad, and we'll see you in the next one.